Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's this video I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Oppo A16e and A16s. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the heat, like your device heats up or its temperature increases, you can easily fix the problem by a few steps as I will show you in this video. So before we start it, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix it. Let's watch the video.